So we started searching the internet and looked for many different companies until we found actually Millennium Construction.
Yeah, we decided to go with Millennium Construction because when we started working with them, they were able to help us visualize the concept that we wanted to implement. They were very helpful on working with us and creating ideas.
The remodel on the kitchen, I have to say, was so smooth as far as remodeling a kitchen can be. The communication with Millennium Construction was absolutely amazing, and communication is everything. When Eddie said we're going to be there, he was here.
The follow-up with Eddie is frankly unheard of. He's the kind of guy who is there when you call him, he answers, and he sends his team here to do whatever needs to be done.
We also did a lot of homework, and we realized that they've been around for a very long time, which was really important to us because we had that trust that they wouldn't disappear like many contractors do. They had great reviews.
If they do as good a job on our bathrooms as they did on this pool, we'd be lucky. So we contacted Eddie again. It was the same way. He came out, he was on the spot, he beat every other potential contractor with his bid and drawings, and we'd worked with him before. We went with it. Same great crews. We were very happy with the results.
It started really here with the outdoor patio. We had everything remodeled, brand new floor. We had all the ceilings sandblasted and then refinished and fixed to create that driftwood kind of look.
We wanted to make sure that people were not just gathering in one location. We wanted to make sure that we're spreading out. Instead of having one fire pit, having tables that all have the fire surface and that people could actually move around.
The fireplace, we had the mantle and the heart removed and made it a more modern, flush look. Put in an easy to clean and easy maintenance hardwood floor. As you enter into the family room, another fireplace.
So with the project going very well, we decided to have Millennium Construction actually improve our front yard. This is something that we added at the very end of the project. And we decided to extend the porcelain to match the backyard and all the way to the front yard.
When we decided to do the kitchen, I asked Eddie to give me a quote on what it would be to add a complete add-on for a wine cellar. Didn't think it was going to be feasible. Wasn't even sure we had enough room or if it'd be, something we'd want to do. Anyway, he rendered it. Looked awesome, and so we decided to go ahead with the wine cellar. It came out perfect. My buddies now, they come over and they go in, they're just in awe, and they're like 3 or 4 of them now they want wine cellars, so that's pretty cool.
Just like to close it up by saying thanks Eddie, thanks Millennium, all the guys on the crew, another great job. Wish we had a little more house to work on, but if anybody asks us, we're going to recommend Millennium.
Hey Eddie, Yvonne, and the whole Millennium Construction team, thank you so much for everything you've done. You're like family to us now, so you'll be coming to our next event.
But he is really a good human being, an amazing contractor.
Everything turned out so beautiful, and it was done in a timely manner, and the quality is superb. So thank you so much. We love you guys.
And we're on to the next project, which is a walk-in closet for Jackie.
That's right. Bye.
Bye.